Hello, myself Dr. Poonam and I practice Ayurveda at SLC Ayurved Clinic, Wagholi. Today I'm going to talk about pregnancy diet. It's nothing but a few principles from Ayurvedic Granthas. So mainly 3 points that we are going to discuss. The first main point is Satvika Ahara, which is nothing but Sattva Guna Pradhana Ahara. It's nothing but the diet which contains predominantly the Sattvic Gunas, that is the positive characteristics or the positive qualities of ingredients and along with the positive thoughts which come while cooking, while serving, while preparation of the food. This is also expected, which is nothing but bhavana samskara, which is explained in Ayurvedic Granthas that a good thought should be in mind while cooking, while preparing the food or medicine. A good thought of nourishment, a good thought of curing, a good thought of balancing, healing should come in mind for the cooking person, cook also. So in Garbha Sanskara classes, we explain what should be the sattvic ingredients that a pregnant lady should get, and what are those, the examples, what are the recipes related to that, which combinations are allowed and which are very beneficial to that lady, and along with that also the contraindicated parts are also told. Along with that, the Ahara Sevana Vidhi is also explained, which again enhances the sattvic qualities, which is explained in detail in Garbha Sanskara classes. So, do get benefit of it. Second important point is Shadrasatmak Ahara, Shadrasa Pradhana Ahara, which is nothing but the diet which contains 6 rasas, 6 tests: Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Katu, Tikta, and Kashaya. Madhura is sweet, Amla is sour, Lavana salty, Katu pungent, Tikta bitter, and Kashaya ras, which is astringent taste. All these rasas or all these tests should be in a balanced form in each meal, whether it is lunch or dinner. All shad rasas should be in a balanced form. This is indicated, strictly indicated, because further going in Charak Samhita, for going ahead through the Charak Samhita Sharir Sthan, we get the references about Garbhopaghatakar bhavas, which are nothing but the harmful things or the risk factors for a pregnant lady. These risk factors include few shlokas about the harmful effects of excessive intake of specific rasa, like excessive intake of Madhura rasa is explained, and what are the anomalies, deformities, and even the negative behavioral pattern that develops in a child after birth because of excessive intake of that specific rasa is explained. So in detail, so many deformities, behavioral pattern and negative things are explained in Ayurveda because of excessive intake of single rasa. So the balancing of all these rasas is very important. So in Garbha Sanskar classes, we stress on balancing of all these rasas so as the pregnant lady will get the benefit of all those rasas and not any harm because of excessive intake of single rasa. That is strictly contraindicated. Excessive intake of single rasa is contraindicated. Third point is incompatible diet, that is Vairodhika Ahara or Viruddha Ahara, which we call as incompatible diet, which is strictly contraindicated for a pregnant lady. Incompatible diet causes blood impurities, mainly dosha dushti, dhatu dushti, and which eventually causes deformities in the normal body function. Mainly it affects the blood. So blood diseases are eventually caused due to this incompatible diet, which include skin problems and even infertility problems. This incompatible diet is contraindicated for pregnancy. So we advise which are the incompatible diet, which are the ingredients which should not be combined with each other. Anyhow, like Sanskara Viruddha, Kala Viruddha is there, Matra Viruddha is there. Uh, Again, like potency is different, like Ushna and Ati Shita, like too much hot and too much hot and too much cold potency diet should not be mixed with each other. Sanyoga Viruddha, all these patterns are explained in Ayurveda. These are in detail. So, in Garbha Sanskar classes, we take examples, practical examples, and we guide the pregnant woman if unknowingly she is consuming this incompatible diet which is causing harm to her. So, by knowing about all these incompatible diets, she definitely can rule out and sort out the diet part as which is beneficial for her and which is harmful for her. So I think you got about all these details about diet, like it is beyond balanced diet, beyond protein, only protein rich diet. It's beyond a typical written diet chart. So know about the ingredients, their combinations, their gunas, their qualities, and even the emotional factor related to the diet. So these are very important and very different ideas. Those are explained in Ayurvedic granthas, and which affect very positively to you if they are followed very well. If they are followed right in a right way, they will definitely benefit a pregnant lady. So all this guidance is given in Garbha Sanskara classes. So I request you to get the benefits and get the thorough knowledge about the diet, and then choose your proper pregnancy diet. Select it, have it, enjoy it. Even a pregnant lady comes to know about various dishes and various other recipes which she can enjoy. We definitely make her come to know about all these different recipes and combinations from granthas also and from day-to-day life also. And the few points, few corrections are also told to her which she is unknowingly doing some mistakes about the diet consumption. So Garbha Sanskar class definitely helps a pregnant woman to know about diet in detail. Thank you. Get benefit of it. Thank you.